The professional program in accounting is a 5-year program that's designed so that every student receives an undergraduate degree in accounting and then a master's in whatever business discipline they would like. That allows them to be prepared for any path in their career. When we talk in the PPA program about being prepared for any path, what we do is lay the groundwork in accounting by giving people the language of business as a background and then allowing them to branch out into what they were designed to do. And so having access to all the masters within Mays Business School, if a person is designed to do something in finance or in marketing or in information technology, they can do that with a master's degree on top of their accounting undergraduate. Or they can get a master's in accounting as well, which would allow them to go deep in their expertise in audit or in tax or in consulting. Consistent across the program, all of our students take the Cpa exam during their final semester. That's standard for all our students. So most of them end up going initially into some kind of an accounting role or public accounting. The big 4 public accounting firms are some of our biggest recruiters, but also consulting firms, investment banks, and industry. Recruiting is pretty broad within our program, but almost all of them will be CPA qualified either at graduation or shortly thereafter because they've finished the CPA exam. We've had a number of very interesting students come through our program. I can describe one to you today. Phil Graves was a Group 11 graduate, and Phil was a consultant initially when he went out. He spent a number of years as a consultant, but really decided he wanted to work for Patagonia. And so he parked himself on Patagonia's doorstep until they would hire him. And they hired him into a role that eventually grew into running what they call the Tin Shed Ventures Fund, their inside ventures fund where they go out and find investments that are aligned with Patagonia's values. Phil was very much aligned with what Patagonia believed about things like the environment, and that's how he wanted to raise his family in that kind of environment as well. Eventually, he has moved on. He is now the Chief Sustainability Officer for Bass Pro Shops. So he is living aligned with his particular values using the skills that he developed as a PPA student so that he can make an impact on the world. The PPA program has historically placed a large number of students at the 4 largest international public accounting firms, which are Deloitte, Ernst & Young, PwC, and KPMG. But we also place at top consulting firms like Bain, or in industry, in major corporations across industries, and then at top investment banks as well.